welcome to the New York Stock Exchange. So tell me, what does today mean for Magnum?
Today's a very exciting day for us to become the largest ice cream company listed in the world, where we get to delight consumers with treats with our amazing powerhouse portfolio. We're very excited.
And what are the strategic advantages of Magnum Ice Cream Company in the Americas? I know you're Amsterdam-based, but you do have a very large presence in the U.S.
Well, we start with a position of strength. We are number one in the world. We have 4 out of the top 5 global brands are ours. And it's no exception in the Americas. We are also number one in the Americas. We also have a wonderful portfolio of local brands everywhere that cater to different benefits, price points, formats that consumers may be looking for. And then finally, we also have local manufacturing in every country where we operate in the Americas, and R&D and marketing capabilities, which allows us to stay close to customers and close to local consumers, making sure that we give them the best product that they need in their markets.
Lisa, what are some ice cream trends that you're seeing in the space right now?
We're seeing a lot of interesting trends around wellness. So a lot of consumers who don't want to compromise on, taste anymore, they want ice cream with benefits. They want it to taste great and as well provide them with low calories, protein benefits across the board. We're also seeing on the other side of the spectrum, consumers who will not compromise indulgence. They want the best of it and they want the most delicious products. And we have that with Ben & Jerry's and Talenti and Magnum.
All right. And what is Magnum's growth strategy moving forward?
Well, the objective that we have is growth, obviously, and expanding our market share, which is already leading, but we want to make it stronger. For that, we need to invest. We're going to invest first and foremost in our supply chain. We want to deliver better efficiency, better cost, but also better service to our customers. And also to invest in formats that allows us to bring disruptive innovation to the market. We will definitely be investing in our brands. That's also a priority. And we will also invest in expanding our footprint of availability, being with more products in more outlets, and also, as Abhijit was mentioning before, expanding our out-of-home cabinet fleet, where consumers can find a large assortment of products.
And now that you're independent, what does success look like for Magnum?
Success for Magnum is very clear. It's about winning hearts, freezers, and culture. And it's very important that we really become essential to the consumer needs who want to reward themselves, who want to treat themselves, who want to express themselves. And I think we're doing our job well if Magnum becomes affiliated with unsacrificed indulgence, if Talenti is what people turn to for craftsmanship, if Klondike, Breyer's good humor is at the heart of American family celebrations. And at the end of the day, if Americans are thinking about ice cream and they think about us, not just because we're the largest company in the world, but because we're the most innovative, because we are so beloved and the brands that we have show that, and because we're culturally relevant, that's the win we're here for.
Why do you think people love ice cream so much?
I think there's something about making them happy. Ice cream is just part of fundamental people's moments where it's a tradition on a Sunday afternoon. It's something you have when victory during a sports event. There's something about creating even romantic moments, relaxing moments. Ice cream just is able to meet all the different emotions around consumers' different demand spaces.
And I have to ask you, if you could eat one ice cream flavor for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh. Well, I love them all, obviously, but I guess at the bottom of my heart, I'm a classic person. I'll go with Klondike.
Klondike. Okay, well, how about you?
I'm a little bit more crafty. I love Talenti layers.
Nice. Okay, and nice. We have a lot to talk about because I love ice cream too. Gerardo and Lisa, thank you so much for joining us.